Good morning everyone. Welcome to our project. Today our project is on FP subject and the name of our micro project is Working of MOSFET. Here are the members who have participated in the micro project. So friends, today we will see the working, classification, characteristics and all the information about the MOSFET. Hence are the contents. So guys, first of all we will see the introduction about MOSFET. MOSFET is the abbreviation for metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Now we will see the definition of the MOSFET. So MOSFET is a semiconductor device which can be used for switching and amplifying the electronic signals. And here are the two symbols of the MOSFET. That as we know that MOSFET is a four terminal device with a drain, source, gate and body substrate terminals. The terminal which is always connected to the source terminal is the body terminal and hence MOSFET will operate as a three-terminal device. Now next we will see the classification of MOSFET. In that first is the construction of depletion mode. In N-channel depletion type MOSFET is formed on P-type silicon substrate with two heavily doped N plus silicon for low resistance connections of terminals, drain and source. The third terminal which is gate that is isolated from N-channel by a thin oxide layer and the substrate is normally connected to source. After the construction, we will see the working of the N-channel depletion type MOSFET. In this, when VGS is equal to 0, then the gate substrate and the source terminals are connected to ground A. A positive voltage that is VDD is connected between drain and source. As we have applied positive voltage to drain terminal, free electrons from that channel will get attracted to drain and drain current will start to flow. That is ID is equal to IDSS. We know that DMOSFET can be operated in two modes. First is depletion mode and the second one is enhancement mode. In depletion mode, in this mode, due to negative voltage applied, the gate will tend to repel the free electrons towards P-type substrate and will attract the holes. And then these electrons and holes will recombine inside the channel and will reduce the number of free electrons. Due to this process, drain current will increase. Second one is enhancement mode. In this mode, the positive voltage is applied and due to this it will draw the additional electrons from P-type substrate and the level of free electrons will enhance due to application of positive gate to source voltage. Hence the corresponding region of operation is known as the enhancement region. The second type is enhancement type MOSFET, that is eMOSFET. There is a main difference between DMOSFET and eMOSFET is that a number of channels are doped between the source and drain channels and are electrically induced in these MOSFETs when a positive gate source voltage is applied to it. Now we will see the construction of enhancement type MOSFET. The N-channel and E-MOSFET is formed on P-type silicon substrate with two heavily doped N plus silicon for low resistance connections of terminals, drain and source. In this there is no physical N-channel is present and the third terminal which is gate is isolated from substrate by a thin oxide layer and the substrate is connected to source. Working of the enhancement type MOSFET says that the MOSFET operates only in enhancement mode and has no depletion mode. It operates with large positive gate voltage only. When drain is positive with respect to source and no potential is applied to gate, then the two PN junctions which are connected back to back with the resistance of P substrate and a very small leakage current flows. When gate is made positive with respect to source and substrate, negative charge carriers within the substrate and attract to the positive gate and will accumulate close to the surface of the substrate. This accumulated minority charge carriers N-type channels switching from drain to source. Then an inversion layer will induce on channel and drain current will start flowing and this drain current is controlled by the gate potential. Now we will see the VI characteristics of E type of MOSFET. When VGS is smaller than VGST, then drain current is equal to 0. And when VGS is greater than VGST, then device turns on and drain current is controlled by a gate voltage. The characteristic curves have almost vertical and almost horizontal parts. Thus, eMOSFET can be used as a variable voltage resistor or as a constant current source. Now we're gonna see the advantages of MOSFET. First is it has the ability to scale down in size. Second is it has low power consumption to allow the more components per chip surface area. Third is MOSFET has no gate diode. This makes it possible to operate with a positive or negative gate voltage. Fourth is it read directly with a thin active area. Fifth is they have high drain resistance of a channel and it is widely used in JFET, that is junction field effect transistor. Sixth is the eMOSFET find wide application in digital circuitry. The disadvantages of MOSFET are: first, they have short life, and second, they require repeated calibration for accurate close measurement. Now we will see the applications of MOSFET. There are various applications of MOSFET. First is SMPS, that is switch mode power supply and linear supplies. Second, it is used in solid state DC relay. Third is light controls, solenoid drivers, robotics and induction heating.